I just want to talk about gateway status lights. So if I connect up a good battery, we should see the lights come on. Something to remember, lights will be off by standard because if it's going to save battery. When you open the door, the lights should appear as they are there. If not, you can hit that blue button over there and it will activate the lights, just a little blue button there that you push in. So here, just talk through what we've got. We've got a green LED here for the battery, so that shows that it's a properly fully good working battery. If it's getting low, then that will be kind of an orangey colour light. The cell light here tells us that we've got a connection to a cell tower. You might have seen just at the start there when I first connected it, it was red, flashing red. If it's flashing red, then it's not seeing the cell tower and you're not going to get any data uploaded. One thing to remember then is if it has lost a cell connection, as long as the battery and everything else is good, it will keep recording all of its data and then upload that data. A mesh is if it's got nodes connected to it and it can see the nodes, then the EM mesh light will be connected. Sensor suite means that it's seeing a active sensor suite, which is behind here. This is a wireless one, or you could have a cabled one in here. Your Bluetooth is signaling that it's ready to accept a Bluetooth connection. When you do have a Bluetooth connection to the Enviromonitor app, that light there will go solid blue. And if you're just looking at these lights, they will, after I think about 2 minutes, they will go off basically to save battery if you keep the door open. And then all you would need to do, either hit the test light, close the door, open it again, and that will reactivate the lights. As simple as that. If we want to reboot a gateway, sometimes we might ask you to reboot a gateway, or we're having connectivity issues. Then the way I would reboot a gateway is disconnect the battery like so, disconnect the square comms power cable up here in the top left hand corner, leave it for a minute. We'll count quickly, pretend that's the minute up. I would then reconnect that power battery and then reconnect the square cable up there, and then we'll see our status lights coming back on again. Again, very quickly it sees a sensor suite, and then it will come, hopefully after a few seconds, it will reconnect a cell and see the EM mesh for any nodes that you might have. And that's just a simple way to go over the status lights and talk about rebooting a cellular gateway.